Good morning, children. In previous class, we studied about profit, loss, percentage, and how to find out the discount and GST. We studied about. In same continuation, today's class we will go to same GST lessons. Will continue, children. That is practice problem 3. Third problem. We have to solve the sum, children. Practice problem 3. Third problem. Find out the better offer for a customer from the following two options. First option is successive discount of 50% and 20%. That means they given for us offer 15% and 21%, children. For the mark price they didn't given for us, but percentage they given 15% and 20% offer, children. Second B is a single discount of 35%. Only 1% given 35%. In these two options A and B, which is better offer for the customer. Now we don't know mark price, children. That is we have to take 100 rupees. That means object they didn't given for us mark price. If we know the mark price, we can find out how much percentage we want to take the object, children. That's why we don't know that how much rupees for the mark price. That's why we have to consider 100 rupees, children. Here discount they given first discount. A1 option. A answer is first discount. How much percentage, children? 15%. One time we have to find out the A option 15%. Mark price is for 100 rupees. Even second also same we have to find out the 100 rupees mark price for 20%, children. Here selling price of the object or article after first discount equal to how much mark price, children? 100 minus 15% of 100 for the GST. 15% of 100, children. 100 rupees minus 15% means 15 divided by 100 into 100. Here 100 cancel, children. Now 100 as it is minus 15 1 15. 100 minus 15, children, how much, children? 85. That is after first discount we got how much? 85, children. That means 15%. 15% discount, how much we got, children? 85 rupees for selling price. Still we have to find out the 20% selling price, children. So selling price of the article after second discount equal to how much we got? 85 minus second discount, how much given? 20% of 85, children. Now 85 minus 20% means 20 divided by 100 into 85. We have to cancel. Here 1 place 0, in denominator place, numerator place 0 we have to cancel. 2 1 2 5. Now 5 is denominator place, 85 is numerator, children. We can cancel 5 table. 5 1 5 1 5. 8 minus 5 3, children. 5 table 35 is there. 5 7 35, children. Now 71 17. 85 minus 17, how much we got, children? 68. Now for 15%, how much selling price we got, children? 85. For 20%, how much got selling price, children? 68. Now B option we have to take single discount of 35%. Now let the article price of the mark price, how much, children? 100 rupees. For how much percentage? 35%, children. Now selling price of the discount equal to 100 minus 35% of 100. Now 100 minus 35 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel, children. 35 minus 35. 100 minus 35, how much we got? 65. Now selling price in a part B is how much we got? 65. Part A. Part A, how much we got? 85 and 68. That means here less the amount, how much we got? 65, children. This is the best offer for the customer, children. Class we studied about, children, GST, discount, profit and loss. Now upcoming class we study about simple interest. That means if we buy things or amount from the bank, we will borrow 10,000 rupees. After maybe 2 months or 6 months or 1 year after, we have to pay the interest for the bank, children. They will say for us how much amount simple interest and compound interest today we study. Define interest. What is mean by interest? It is during the period is calculated on a fixed amount. For it is during the period is calculated on a fixed amount. We have to find out the interest. We have the formula. It is simple interest equal to simple interest equal to principal into time into rate divided by 100 children. Here P means principal, P means principal, T means time children, R means rate. Rate means they will put for us percentage. This many percent, 2%, 5%, they will put for us interest for the amount children. Now, one example I will take for you children. Example. Principal, they given for us 10,000 rupees. Then time they given for us 1 year. Time 1 year. Rate they given for us 5%. Now we have to find out the interest children. We have to find out the interest. Interest equal to how much? For principal 10,000, time is 1 year they given for us, and rate is 5%. Now we have to find out the how much interest we have to pay for the bank. Now simple interest equal to formula principal into time into rate divided by 100 children. Now simple interest equal to principal how much children? 10,000 into time how much? 1 year. Rate how much? 5 divided by 100. 1 place 0, numerator and denominator place cancel. 10 place 0, 10 place 0 cancel. Now 100 into 5, 500 children. That is simple interest. For simple interest, we have to add the principal children. We have to add the principal. Principal plus simple interest is nothing but children amount. Principal how much children? 10,000 plus. Here simple interest. That means interest how much you got? 500. Total how much? Amount. That is amount. 10,000 plus 500. 10,500 amount. Amount we have to pay for the bank 10,500 children. Simple interest of principal into time into rate divided by 100. If they given principal, we have to substitute the values 10,000. Time is 1 year. Rate is 5 divided by 100. Then last ones place and tens place 0 0 cancel. 5 into 100 500. That is interest children. This is interest we got. Principal plus interest we will pay the amount for the bank children. Principal plus simple interest equal to amount. 10,000 plus 500 how much? Amount. Now 10,000 equal to amount. Now how much amount we have to pay? 10,500 for the bank or someone for whom we are taking amount. Principal into time into rate divided by 100. We have to find out the simple interest. We have to use this formula. If we have to find out the rate, time and principal, we have to change the formula here. Here SI as this right children. This 100 is there. We have to take in numerator place. Denominator place is there. We have to take this sign is multiplication. SI into 100. Now P and T is in numerator place. We have to take denominator place, that is multiplication. P into T equal to rate as this side. This is the formula for rate finding formula. SI into 100 time children to given for us. Now principal how much given? 18,000. Substitute the values. 1 is plus rate how much given children? 25 by 2 divided by 100 raised to n how much here they given? 4 children. We have to find out. 18,000 added to this right children? 1 plus 25 added this right. This 2 you have to leave denominator number you have to multiply children. 100 2 ja 200 raised to 4. Now 18,000. Now take the same children. 2 here nothing is next 1. 200 same 200 plus 25 divided by 200 raised to 4 children. Now next continuation 18,000 into 225 addition divided by 200 raised to 4 children. Now 18,000 how many times is that children? 225 by 200 4 times 225 divided by 200 into 225 by 200 into 225 by 200 into 225 by 200 we have. Now here 2 zeros cancel children. Again 1 more 0 cancel. 2 1 are 2 9 children. They given for us principal here, and even they given per annum percentage given. How much given? 15%, 5%, and here they given for us amount how much? 2,35,525. Principal how much given to that? 2 lakh. Amount how much given? 2,31,525. Now rate how much? 5%. Here we have to find out M equal to, that means number of times how much we have to find out. Amount equal to P open bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to n children. We have to find out the number of times we have to find out. Now we have to write the principal how much, amount how much given? 2,31,525 equal to amount principal how much? 2 lakh open bracket 1 plus rate how much? 5 divided by 100. Yet we don't know as it is right. Number of times we don't know. That's why we have to write as it is n. We have to shift the 2 lakh because number one side we have to shift. 2 lakh we have to shift this side. Then multiplication is there because bracket is there. We have to shift this side. Division children. 2,31,525 divided by 2 lakh equal to, take the LCM 100 and here nothing is there 1. LCM 100 and 1 LCM is 100. 100 plus 5 divided by 100. 100 plus 5, 105 divided by 100. N is right children. Number of time. And now we have to cancel. 5 table we cancel because last number 5 is there. Here 0 is there. Both will go in 5 table. 5 1 jar. 0 as it is right. Or 5 4 jar we can take. 20 is there. 5 4 jar. 0 0 0 as it is right. 1 2 3 4 0 right. Here 5 4 jar 20. Remainder 3 children. 5 6 jar 30. Remainder 1. 5 3 jar. Now next 5 table 2 will not go. Then 5 5 jar. Next again we can cancel 5 table. 5 8 jar 0 0 0. 5 9 jar. Remainder 1. Then 5 2 jar 10. Remainder 3. 5 6 jar 5 1 jar. Now how much answer we got? 9,261 divided by 8,000 we got here. This side again we can cancel. Inside the number 105 and 100 5 table. 5 2 jar 0 as it is. 5 2 jar 5 1 jar. 21 divided